Hello everyone. Welcome to Mindcrafts Global. Ask any new trader, what is the secret to becoming profitable? Most people answer, I need to predict the market correctly. But what if I told you, successful traders aren't paid for being right. They are paid for managing risk. Today, let's understand why risk management often matters far more than prediction accuracy. The biggest trading myth. Imagine two traders. The first trader wins 9 out of every 10 trades. The second trader wins only 6 out of every 10. Most people would immediately assume the first trader must be more profitable. But markets don't work that way. If trader 1 allows one large loss to erase 9 small profits, while trader 2 keeps every loss under control, who actually makes more money? Very often, it's trader 2. Because markets reward consistency, not perfection. Trading is a probability game. Every trade is uncertain. No indicator, no chart, no expert can guarantee the next price movement. Professional traders accept this reality. Instead of asking, will I be right? They ask, if I am wrong, how much am I willing to lose? That small shift completely changes the way decisions are made. Risk management isn't about avoiding losses. It's about making sure no single loss becomes large enough to damage your trading journey. Position size changes everything. Now let's imagine something else. Two traders see exactly the same setup. Same chart, same entry, same stop loss. But one trader risks only a small percentage of capital. The other commits almost everything. When the market moves slightly against them, the first trader follows the plan. The second trader begins to panic. Not because the chart changed, but because the money at risk changed. That's why position sizing isn't just mathematics, it's psychology. The larger the position, the harder it becomes to think objectively. Protect your mind before your money. Many people believe risk management exists only to protect capital, but it also protects something even more valuable, your decision making. After one uncontrolled loss, fear increases. Confidence disappears. The next trade becomes emotional, and one mistake often leads to another. Professional traders understand this. Every trade should begin with a clear exit plan. Because discipline is not created when the market moves. It is created before entering the trade. The Mindcrafts trading checklist. Before entering any trade, ask yourself, how much can I afford to lose? Is my position size appropriate? Do I know exactly where I will exit? If this trade fails, can I comfortably take the next one? If the answer is yes, you're managing risk correctly. Conclusion. The best traders don't survive because they're always right. They survive because they're prepared when they're wrong. Remember, prediction builds confidence. Risk management builds longevity. And in trading, longevity usually wins. Disclaimer. This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial, investment, or trading advice. Always conduct your own research and manage your risk responsibly before participating in financial markets.